Hey guys, another episode of Wheel Repair. This is why you don't use brake dust cleaner on your wheels and leave it on for too long, because it stains wheels. Let me repeat that again. Brake dust cleaner stains wheels. It happens all the time, mainly on Infinitis. But when you use brake dust cleaner, that's what happens. And this wheel is stained all over the place. See, it looks like little dots and water stained on it, but it's not. It's brake dust cleaner. Do not use brake dust cleaner, or you'll be calling a wheel repair guy like me. And I'm actually doing all four. Got all four prepped out. Well, I got three prepped out, one to do left. Pretty nice car, but when you use brake dust cleaner, it's not nice no more. Wheel art.